Hi 10th, welcome back to my channel. And see, last day we completed the discussion of example. That means first 5 examples we discussed. Still few many examples are remaining, but first session example, that bundle of examples we completed. And today we are going to start the very first exercise, exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1 filled with many questions, and almost all questions are objective type questions. You may understood that first time exam, objective type exam. So these kind of questions are very important. So while I am explaining each question, so what you are supposed to do is, while I explain a question, just after that just pause the video and try to find out answer yourself and compare your answer with my answer. Okay, just do like that, because you are supposed to build a capacity to solve out question yourself. Okay, so read the question, pause the video, understand the question, pause the video, then do yourself and compare your answer with my answer. Shall we? So without wasting much time, we are going to select the first question. We are not going to leave any question, but in between few sub question I will leave as homework. Okay, you must try yourself. Okay, and while you are uploading notes, and you must upload that homeworks also. Okay, so exercise 8.1, first question. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, that means in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree. Then AB is given as 24, BC is given as 7. Determine sin A cos A. Then one more sub question is there. Okay, sin C cos C. You're supposed to find out sin A comma cos A, then sin C cos C. The difference of these two questions is, first question we applied sin and cos on the angle A, and second question we are going to apply this sin and cos on angle C. Both are different, no? Yes. So in order to find out this answer, see, here the question is to calculate some sin, cos and all those things. That means we must draw a right triangle, and in order to calculate any trigonometric ratios, we need three sides of the triangle. Okay. You may understand the hint which I am going to follow. What? Draw a right triangle, because here the question is to calculate trigonometric ratio. So we need to draw a right triangle, and we must find all the three sides of the right triangle. Then only we could calculate all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let me draw a right triangle first. See, I think this video is clear enough. See, this is a right triangle. Let me name it as some ABC, and in the question it clearly said that angle B is 90 degrees. So you are supposed to mark here it as angle B, and angle A and angle C on any acute angles as you wish, but angle B should be here because it is given directly in the question. Then AB is given as 24, then BC is given as 7. Okay, two sides are already given, so we are supposed to calculate the remaining side also, isn't it? You may understood. So how you can calculate the remaining side? Yes, pause the video and calculate yourself. Yes, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. That means hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it becomes hypotenuse square is equal to AB square, means 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square, just calculate the value of 24 square. See, the value of 24 square is 576. Then 7 square is 49. So when you add, it becomes 625, no? Yes, when you add, we will get the sum of 625. So this is what is AC square. AC square we got it as 625. Then what will be AC? Can you tell me that? AC will be square root of this. Okay, AC will be what? Square root of this. That means square root of 625. What is square root of 625? Yes, tell me. See, let me tell you one thing. If you face any problem in the video, you have to call me and inform me. Then only I can correct those mistakes in the next video. Clear? You have complete freedom. So you just call me and inform me the problem within the video. Any problem, okay? And call me and inform me. Then next problem I will clarify those mistakes. So AC will be square root of 625. What is square root of 625? 25. You are supposed to by heart at least the squares of 1 to 30, and okay, you are supposed to by heart the squares of the numbers starting from 1 to 30. That means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, then 10 square is 100, 15 square is 225, then 25 square is 625, 30 square is 900. In that way you are supposed to by heart. Okay, then only you will get this square root very fast. Okay, because since it is OMR type exam, we are not supposed to waste much time, because for one question we will get only 1 minute. That is a highlight. Okay, so you are supposed to do all the question. You are supposed to apply. You cannot consume much time in each question. You're supposed to solve each question very fast. So we got the value of AC as 25. You can mark here just 25. You may understood, no? Then we got all the three sides. Then now we can easily calculate the value of sine A. See, sine A. What is sine A? You're supposed to write the definition first. Here the question is to calculate sine A first. Sine A, opposite side of A by adjacent side of A. See, from the figure it is very clear that what is opposite side of A. Here the angle we have to mark it as mark A. Sine A, we are going to apply sine on A. Clear? Sine A, opposite means A, opposite side of A is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. So sine A means opposite by hypotenuse, so 7 by 25. So answer will be 7 by 25. Then similarly we can calculate the cos A. Cos A means adjacent side of the adjacent side of A by hypotenuse, and here adjacent side of A is given as from the figure it is very clear that adjacent side of A is 24. Actually 25 and 24 are adjacent to A, but we cannot choose 25 as adjacent. We must use 24 as adjacent. So adjacent by hypotenuse, it becomes 24 by 25. So answer will be 24 by 25. And this is the answer for the first sub question. And second sub question you must solve yourself. At that time you are supposed to apply the sine and cos on the angle C. This is the angle you have to fix. And according to this angle you are supposed to calculate sine C and cos C. Okay. And check the backside answer and upload. Okay. Going to the next question. Second question. And second one is a figure based question. This is the figure which is given straight to that question, and here we are supposed to calculate the value of tan P minus cot R. Okay, then this is a triangle which is given. Very simple question. In this triangle two sides are given. In order to calculate the trigonometric ratios we need the remaining side also. Okay, tan P, yes, we need the third side also. You may understand. We need triangle with all three sides. Two sides only given. So in order to calculate the third, in order to calculate these two ratio, we need three sides. Because in order to calculate trigonometric ratio, we need three sides. Out of the two sides are given. In order to calculate the remaining side, we can easily use Pythagoras theorem. Tell me. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. And here the hypotenuse is always side opposite to 90 degrees. So which is hypotenuse here? Yes, this is the side opposite to 90 degrees. So this is going to be the hypotenuse. So it becomes 13 square is equal to base, yes, QR square plus height PQ. Is it clear? Okay. So it becomes 169 is equal to QR I don't know. We are supposed to calculate that PQ is given as 12. So 12 square is 144. Clear? Then what will be QR square? QR square will be 169 minus 144. I think that is 25. And then QR will be what? 5. Then we got the value of QR as 5. Is it clear for you? Yes. Now it is the time to calculate tan P. See, first of all, you just calculate tan P, then you can calculate cot R, then subtract. Okay, tan P. Okay, what is tan P? What is tan P? This is the angle which you have to fix for that tan P. We are going to apply tan on P. So this is the angle. Okay. This is the angle which you have to focus. Tan P. Which is the formula for tan P? You just write the formula. Opposite side of P by adjacent side of P. So this is the angle P. Opposite side of P is nothing but 5 and adjacent side of P is nothing but 12. So tan P is nothing but 5 by 12. Is it clear? Once again, this is the angle which you have to fix. So tan on angle P, when you apply tan on angle, the definition is opposite side of that angle divided by adjacent side of that angle, isn't it? So opposite side of P is 5 and adjacent side of P is 12, not 13. 13 is hypotenuse. Opposite by adjacent. So 5 by 12. So we got the value of tan P as 5 by 12. Is it clear? Then we are supposed to calculate what is cot R. So we already calculated tan, then cot will be the reciprocal of that. If tan is equal to 5 by 12, then cot will be 12 by 5. No, you are wrong. You are wrong. You are absolutely wrong. Why? Because here the angles are different. If the angles are different, we cannot apply this property. Suppose tan P is, we got the value of tan P as 5 by 12. Then the question is to calculate cot P. That means the angles are same. If the angles are same, then you can treat cot as the inverse of tan. No problem. Once again, let me repeat. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. What it says? Cot theta is the inverse of tan theta. Yes, true. Why? Because here the angles are same. Then this property will hold. But tan P and cot R, there is no relation. Why? Because the angles are different. If angles are same, I repeat, if the angles are same, then cot will be the inverse of tan. If angles are not same, no relation in between tan and cot. Clear? If the question is to calculate cot P, then just write 12 by 5 and go away, no problem. But here the question is to calculate cot R, so you are supposed to calculate cot R separately. You may understood, no? So cot on angle R, so this is the angle which we have to fix. Okay, this is the angle which you have to fix. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, and in order to apply cot R, which is the formula? Cot R formula is, tell me. Yes, adjacent of R divided by opposite of R. That is the definition of cot. Adjacent of R by opposite of R. Okay, this is the angle R. What is adjacent of R? This is the angle R. Adjacent of R is 5 and opposite of R is 12. So 5 by 12. I think you understood, no? Clear? Then what will be tan P minus cot R? This is the question. Okay, question is not to calculate tan P and cot R separately. Question is to calculate tan P minus cot R. In order to calculate tan P minus cot R, to make the question a little bit easy, we calculated tan P and cot R separately. So just subtract. Then we will get the value of tan P minus cot R. Okay, question is to calculate this value, tan P minus cot R. Then what is tan P? 5 by 12. What is cos P? 5 by 12. When you subtract two same quantity, you will get the difference as 0. So your answer will be 0. Moving to the next. So let's select question number 3. Okay. So if sin A is equal to 3, very important question. You are supposed to expect this kind of questions. Very important. You can mark it as very important. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. You are supposed to calculate cos A and tan A. Sin A is given as 3 by 4. You are supposed to calculate cos A and tan A. So we know that the hint is that how to connect a question to the answer. Let me explain the hint first. How to connect this question with the answer. We have to learn that also, no? See. Anyway, here the question is to calculate some trigonometry ratio. In order to calculate trigonometry ratio, what we need? Yes, you are absolutely right. Yes, you are absolutely right. Yeah, we are supposed to draw a right triangle and we need to find out all the 3 sides, isn't it? Then any ratio we can easily calculate. So here what is given? So that is a hint. So in order to calculate cos A, sin A, tan A, or any trigonometric ratio, we need a right triangle with all the 3 sides. Or we need to draw a right triangle and we must calculate all the 3 sides. Then we can calculate any ratio as our wish. Clear? And here what is given? Sin A. So my aim is to draw a right triangle and my aim is to find out 3 sides. Okay, അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So what is given? Sin A is given as 3 by 4. Okay, then let me draw a right triangle as I said. Okay, here sin is applied on A. That means A should be an acute angle. Why? Because always trigonometric ratio, we usually apply trigonometric ratio in acute angles. Right angles ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ അതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് വേറെ പഠിക്കുന്നു, അത് ഞാനൊക്കെ പിന്നെ പറയാം. പക്ഷേ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ സൈൻ ഈസിക്കൽ 3 by 4 എന്ന് കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ സൈൻ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിക് റേഷ്യോ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾ എപ്പോഴും എന്ത് ആംഗിൾ ആയിരിക്കും എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഓർപ്പിച്ചോളൂ, അക്യൂട്ട് ആംഗിൾ. Once again, let me repeat. Here the sine, cos and all those trigonometric ratios are applied on A. It indirectly says that angle is acute angle. That means that angle A you can mark here or here, but not here because this is right angle. Acute angles can be here or here. So A can be here or here. For a change, let me mark A here. Okay, and the remaining vertex, as your wish, you can mark like some P or Q or B or C as you wish. But A should be on acute angle. You can mark A here or you can mark A here. If you're marking A here, BC, you can mark like this. If you're marking A here, BC, you can mark like this. Any problem? No. Now just see, sin A is given as 3 by 4. What is the definition of sin A? This kind of same question we already solved. Okay, so I prefer you just pause the video right now and do yourself. Sin A, what is the definition of sin A? You know, this ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരേ പാറ്റേണിൽ എക്സാമ്പിൾ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആ പാറ്റേൺ നല്ലതുപോലെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്നുള്ള പാറ്റേൺ നല്ല ഹൃദയസ്ഥമാക്കി വെക്കുക. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് sin A? Sin A is equal, it is given as sin A is equal to 3 by 4. I am going to replace sin A. This is the given equation. I am going to replace this sin A. What is sin A? I am going to replace sin A by its definition. What is sin A? Opposite of A divided by, yes, very good, hypotenuse. opposite of A divided by hypotenuse. That is the definition of sin A. So sin A is equal to 3 by 4 implies opposite of A by hypotenuse is equal to 3 by 4. What I did, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. This sin A I replaced by this definition. Then equal to same equal to, then 3 by 4 I maintained as it is without any change. Here I made some modification. Okay. Then from the figure, what is opposite of A? From the figure, it is very clear that opposite of A is BC. So BC. Then what is hypotenuse? From the figure, it is very clear that hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degrees. So here it is 90 degrees. So opposite to 90 degrees AB. So AB is what is hypotenuse. So BC by AB. BC by, I repeat, BC by AB is equal to what? 3 by 4. Clear? Any problem? No. Now just see. BC by AB is equal to 3 by 4. It says that what? BC is equal to 3. No. BC is equal to 3x and AB is equal to 4x. Same kind of question we practiced. ആ question ഒക്കെ 2-3 പ്രാവശ്യം ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ച കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഇതൊക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇപ്പോൾ കത്തുന്നുണ്ടാവും മനസ്സിൽ. BC is equal to, we can call it as 3x and we can define AB as 4. No, AB as 4x. Okay. So where we reached? We got ABC as 3x. So we can mark here it as 3x and we got AB as AB. This side as what? 4x. So we got two sides and one more side is remaining. In order to calculate this side, what we can use? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. What is hypotenuse here? AB. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square BC square plus height square AC square. Is it clear? So what is hypotenuse here? 4x, no? AB is 4x. So for AB square means 4x square is equal to BC square. BC square is 3x. So 3x square plus AC square. I don't know what is AC. AC is the side which I need to find out. Okay. So what is 4x square? What is 4 square? 16. What is x square? X square is equal to, what is 3 square? 9. What is x square? X square plus AC square. See, very next step what you can write. See, just maintain AC square there itself. Take this 9x square to left side. It becomes 16x square minus 9x square. Any problem? So it says that AC square is equal to 16x square minus 9x square. What is 16x square minus 9x square? 7. 7x square, no? So what will be AC? Isn't it? Ayo. I think 8x, no. 9x square, no? Sorry. 7x square itself. 7x square itself. So AC square will be 7x square. We need AC. So AC will be square root of that. Square root of 7x square. Any problem? It is a little bit difficult to understand. Are you following me? See, AC will be square root of 7x square. What is square root of 7x square? What is square? That it says that we are supposed to apply the square root for both. What is square root of 7? Root 7. What is square root of x square? X. കാരണം 7 റൂട്ട് ഇല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് റൂട്ട് 7 നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയത്. എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ റൂട്ട് എക്സ്. സോ ദിസ് സൈഡ് വിൽ ബി വാട്ട്? റൂട്ട് 7x. ഓക്കെ, ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? Okay, so we got 3 sides. It is a little bit difficult question because here this kind of root 7, that kind of number is included, so you may feel some confusion. So practice again and again. So we got all the 3 sides. Now we can easily calculate all the ratios which we need. Cos A we need, then tan A we need. ഇതൊക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. നല്ല പെട്ടെന്ന് പഠിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എളുപ്പമാണിത്. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് ഇനിയും ഒരുപാട് മെത്തേഡ്സ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കും. ബിക്കോസ് വി വിൽ ലേൺ അബൌട്ട് സം ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റീസ്, മെനി ഫോർമുലാസ് വി വിൽ ലേൺ. ബട്ട് I prefer, if you face this kind of question, you just draw a figure and do like this, because this is the most simplest method to solve out this question. In PSC and all, the PSC, the teachers who are handling with the PSC classes, they will teach this kind of methods. Okay, because this kind of method is very useful and this is very, very easily we can solve it out. Because when I explain step by step, you may feel that this is very lengthy. No. You just try yourself. It's very simple. Then cos A and tan A is the question to calculate. What is cos A? Right formula, adjacent of A by hypotenuse. So from this is angle A. So cos A. So this is angle A. So adjacent of A divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent of A? A ന്റെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് റൂട്ട് 7 ആണ്. ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസോ 90ന്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ് ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതായിരിക്കും എപ്പോഴും ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ്. അപ്പോൾ എനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് അഡ്ജസൻറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതും hypotenuse ഇതുമാണ് വരുന്നത്. മനസ്സിലായോ? So the cos A is adjacent of A divided by hypotenuse of A. So adjacent side of A, angle A, because cos we are going to apply on A, tan we are going to apply on A. So A is the angle which you have to focus. So cosine means adjacent side of a by hypotenuse. So root 7 by 4. Sorry, root 7x by 4x. Root 7x by 4x. We can cancel that x and x. We will get root 7 by 4. Please check the answer on the back side also. Okay, make sure this answer is correct. Okay, root 7 by 4. Then we are supposed to calculate tan A. Tan A formula, opposite of A by adjacent of A. This is the angle A. Opposite of A is 3x. Adjacent of A is root 7x. So the answer will be 3x by root 7x. We can cancel x and x. We will get 3 by root 7 as the answer. What? 3 by root 7. Clear? Correct answer. So this is the method which you must follow. Okay. So we will wind up the session by discussing the fourth question. Okay. Given 15 cot is equal to 8, find sin A and sec. ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ സ്പീഡിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഇൻ ദ സെൻസ് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം അടുത്തത് ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് പഠിക്കാൻ പറയാമെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഞാൻ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തു. വി ജസ്റ്റ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ദ സെയിം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. At that time you can pause the video. Okay. So practice one question and go to the next question. That is the best method. In that time you can pause the video and off the net. Okay. See, given 15 cot is equal to 8, find what? Sin A and sec. This is the question. This is the given thing. This is a little bit different question. No. It is, at first look you may feel this question as different, but this question is same as that of the previous one. Okay. See, what is given? Anyway, question is to calculate two trigonometric ratio. Whatever it is, in order to calculate trigonometric ratio, anyway it is trigonometric ratio, no. In order to calculate any trigonometric ratio, we are supposed to draw a right triangle. Then we are supposed to calculate all the three sides. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so in order to draw right triangle, so you can mark, you can draw a right triangle. See, let it be, this is the right triangle, and here the question, here you just see from the question it's very clear that here all the trigonometric ratios are applied on angle A. So angle A should be acute angle. I'm not going to explain the reason again. Okay, A. Then here you can mark some B or C as you wish. Clear? Then what is the given thing? 15 cot A is given as 8. This is a little bit strange. This is a little bit strange pattern. So I'm going to make this as a usual pattern. How? Take this 15 to right side. This kind of question, ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലൊക്കെ ഇനി ഞാൻ പറയാം. കാരണം ഇതെന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് മുകളിലത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇന്ന് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയത്? മുകളിലത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്തായിരുന്നു? സൈൻ A = 3/4. ഇവിടെ റേഷ്യോ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇവിടെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ ഒരു A/B ഫോമും. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെയല്ല. ഇവിടെ റേഷ്യോൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. അങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന കാര്യമാണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വാട്ട് യു ആർ സപ്പോസ് ടു ഡു ഈസ് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ കോട്ട ഇൻ ദ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ഈസ് 8, write as it is, and take this 15 to right side. Here the 15 is multiplied with the cote. When you take this 15 to right side, it becomes divided by 15. So cote will be 8 by 15. Okay, now it become in the usual form, just like sin is equal to 3/4. Sit. Yes. Now what you can do? Write the formula. Then same method as usual, no problem. Then cote is equal to 8 by 15. What is the definition of cote? Yes, very good. Adjacent of A divided by opposite of A is equal to 8 by 15. From the figure, what is adjacent of A? Adjacent of A is AB. I'm not going to explain. What is opposite of A? This is A. So opposite of A is BC. Are you following me? So AB by BC is equal to 8 by 15. So what will be AC? AB. What will be BC? AB is 8. No, 8x. BC will be 15. No, 15x. So BC will be 15x and AB will be 8x. And we are supposed to calculate one more side because one more side is still remaining. So use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, it says that hypotenuse square is equal to 8 square plus height square. That means AC square will be, hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So AC square will be what? Base square 8x square plus height square 15x square. Any problem? Is it clear for you? Yes. ചില പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ് തരും, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് തരാതിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് മാറണം കേട്ടോ. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ആദ്യം പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം എഴുതേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ മാറില്ല. ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ് സ്ക്വയർ ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ബേസ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ഹൈറ്റ് സ്ക്വയർ. ആ ഓർഡറിലങ്ങ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ എഴുതി വെച്ചാൽ മതി. സോ AC square is equal to what is 8x square? 8 square is 64, then x square. 15 square is 225, x square. ഇതൊന്നും ഞാൻ ഇനി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ ചെറിയ മക്കളൊന്നുമല്ല, മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. x square. Then AC square is equal to 289 x square. Then who can say what is AC? Yes, Yes, you are correct. 17. Because square root of 289 is 17, square root of x square is x. So answer will be 17x. Clear? Is it clear for you? Yes. Now just see, we got the value of AC as 17x. Okay. Then we are supposed to calculate the sin A and sec. Whatever it is, we can easily calculate. Sin A, formula, opposite side of A divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side of A is 15x, hypotenuse is 17x. So 15x by 17x. In other words, 15 by 17. Then sec. Sec is the inverse of cos A. The formula for sec is, yes, hypotenuse by adjacent side of A. Adjacent side of A is 8x, hypotenuse is 17x. So 8x by 17x. When you cancel x, we will get the answer as 8 by 17. Clear? Is it clear for you? സോറി, ഇവിടെ ഞാനൊരു മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് വരുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു പക്ഷേ മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. സീക്കേൻ്റെ ഫോർമുല എന്താണ്? ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് ബൈ അഡ്ജസൻ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് ആദ്യം ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് 17x ബൈ അഡ്ജസൻ്റ് ആണ് ഒരു 8x. നെക്സ്റ്റ് എക്സ് വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ക്യാൻസൽ, ഇസ്ൻ്റ് ഇറ്റ്? ആൻസർ വിൽ ബി 17 by 8. 17 by 8. That's it. Check the backside answer also. Make sure my answers are correct with the backside, because sometimes I will make this kind of funny mistakes in between. Yes, our answers are correct. Sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Then cos CK is equal to 17 by 8. Okay. So this is it. Four question we discussed within 30 minutes. All those four questions within 20-25 minutes I explained the question, but you are supposed to spend more than 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes at least on this four question. Practice. Write the same question 2 or 3 times and practice. Then only you will thorough with this kind of methods. And what you are supposed to do is, after practicing this same video for 1 hour and 30 minutes, you should practice the same content 1 hour and 30 minutes, same question. Then after that, you take 1 more hour. That means altogether 2.5 hour. Okay. So first 1 hour and 30 minutes practice the same video. Then next 1 hour take the very next problem, or very next some 2 or 3 problems in the same exercise. Try to do yourself and wait for my video to check your answer and check your method. Okay, thank you. Please practice well. Signing out. Bye.